So good morning, good afternoon, buenos dias, buenas tardes, depending where you are. Boa tarde. Thank you for joining us today. We are here with a very special guest, actually, not only Olivier Leroy, the general manager, but surprise guest Katia Terassou, the owner, who just arrived yesterday at the Christopher Hotel. And I think we have a third surprise coming soon. Huh? So today we decided to do something different because there is so much things to say about the hotel, what's new, rather than just a regular presentation. We're going to do a little walkthrough. You're going to introduce us your surprise of the day beside Katia. Huh? And voilà. So it's up to you, Olivier, Katia. What do you want to say? A few words, or how do you want to start?
Hello, everyone. First of all, we are really pleased to welcome you at the Christopher Hotel for this webinar. Almost ready for the opening tomorrow at 12. Our guests will arriving, and we are so exciting for the season upcoming. So many beautiful news for this new season. We are still at 42 rooms. Our three beautiful villas, Nina, Pinta, and Maria. Actually, we are starting to work on the new project. It's a brand new villa, actually under construction.
I didn't know.
Yes, another surprise for you. It will be a nice and beautiful villa of 5 bedrooms.
5 bedroom, huh?
Yes, under construction, actually. The season will be a beautiful season. There is many bookings. Our schedule for the next months are insane.
Yeah, I know.
Yes. And one important information: Saint-Barth are almost free COVID. So all of our staff are 100% vaccinated. It's the same thing for almost all the property in Saint-Barth, actually. So it is a beautiful and nice destination for the next season.
And a safe destination, and it's a good news that everybody is like all vaccinated. Huh? That's
as you can see that there is no mask in Saint-Barth, and all of our staff are not wearing anymore the mask. So things are changing, and we are really happy about that.
And thank you, Olivier. Do you want Katia? I don't know if you want to say a few words. I mean, you're the owner. We have the chance. I know you well. I love you. But
thank you very much.
It's your baby. It's your baby. I know Olivier is doing an amazing job, but it's your baby originally. So
a lot of work has been done since few years. The hotel looks just beautiful. We're just finishing a few things for the arrival of our guests tomorrow. The new team is perfect. They look very good, and everybody is under the way, and it's going to be a very good year.
I'm sure. Like, as I said, I already see all the reservation you had and how hard it is to find a space sometime. But
exactly. And I don't know if our third surprise is coming.
It's coming, but we can explain this great and big news at the Christopher Hotel. We have a new concept, a new food and beverage concept called Riviera, the beach for the lunch, and Riviera by Arnaud Faye. Lucky we are, he is here among us, working with the kitchen team to prepare the opening of tomorrow. Arnaud Faye is the chef of a beautiful property in Aise, south of France, La Chèvre d'Or, Relais Château, a 2-star chef, meilleur ouvrier de France, as we say in France, one of the most spectacular recognition of the kitchen professional brand. So we are so proud to work with him. That there is a new decoration of the restaurant, a new menu, and it will be so great to introduce this new concept for our guests. So it's coming.
Voilà.
So,
You already had a fabulous cuisine and dining at the
yes.
Christopher. You always had this reputation. Huh? So I can't even imagine better than what you had before, but I can't wait. Huh? No.
No, it's a step forward.
Oh,
It's
yes,
a
definitely.
bigger
And,
step that we take, and you see that the concept is just gonna suit the whole hotel on the island. It's gonna be great.
yeah, but I'm so proud of you and so proud of the hotel that we represent now, a 2-star Michelin chef. I mean, it's something. As you said, it's more than just being a 5-star. It's putting a higher level of gastronomy, which it's incredible to think of. As I said, the food was amazing, but
yes,
obviously there is always better. We can always do better.
Exactly.
Before its venue, we can talk about the spa as well, because for this second year, the Sisley Spa, the Christopher Hotel, won the award of the best spa of St. Bart's. So it's
the Caribbeans
of the Caribbeans and St. Bart's.
Yeah.
So we are so proud again to make this announcement. It's a great news. Yeah.
And we have one more cabin. We added one more cabin in the spa since we have a lot of demand. So it's going to be a great year. The team is just fabulous. They all come from a very, very well-known hotels. So it's going to be a great year also for the spa.
All right. So much. We can't wait for the fun trip when you're going to have a little space for us. Huh? That's a problem.
Hopefully in May or June.
May or June. Okay. Voilà.
Yeah.
We like that. Huh?
Yeah.
So let us introduce you to
the big star.
Yes.
To Arnaud.
It's a star. I read his background. Bonjour.
Let us
Bonjour.
to Arnaud. Arnaud Faye, and this is Dominique.
Nice to meet you, Dominique.
Nice to meet you too.
Connected with many people.
Yeah, and congratulations. I read everything about you, your background, and I'm like, wow, I'm so happy that you're here, and I'm happy for the Christopher. I don't know if you wanted to share a few words with everyone on what you have done, or I'll let you be. What would you like?
Yeah, for me, it's really interesting to come to Saint Barth for the Christopher. It's very interesting with a good team. The location is incredible, and it's a new concept about a restoration for the lunch and dinner. It's Riviera. It's a small part of Côte d'Azur come to the Christopher.
Mm-hmm.
The south of France is coming to Saint Bart's.
To us.
South of France.
To us.
Your cuisine, what type? Do you have any dish, name, or things you could give us as an example of what you do, for example?
For example, pissaladière, tomato tart, some local fish with a touch of sauce of France, zucchini, eggplant, and everything.
Salade niçoise. We're gonna have the famous ratatouille.
Okay, so then the wonderful part of the south of France and the Mediterranean brought with a very high touch, of course. Huh?
Absolutely.
All right. So what else could we speak about, Arnaud? I don't know if do you want to mention anything other than I don't know, a bit of your background quickly, or a few words about you, because you're a star. It's not like you're a star at the Christopher, but you had a past life, and I just wanted to share a little bit, because you're not just, a chef, a good chef.
The big part of my career is also in France, with different 2 and 3 stars. I worked for the Ritz in Paris. I opened Mandarin Oriental in Paris with Thierry Marx. My first executive place is in Chantilly, l'Auberge du Jeu de Paume. And now I manage about 5 years La Chèvre d'Or in Aise. A lot of American guests come in this wonderful location also.
All right. I knew it. I read everything. I just wanted you to share it with everyone. Huh? All right. So I'm sure you officially start when the launching for the cuisine is tomorrow or today?
Tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow for
Tomorrow, huh?
lunch.
So tomorrow, new chef at the Christopher, Arnaud, we're happy to have met you. And then the guests are usually you close, the hotel is always closed and between the 1st of September and the 15th of October each year for the season. So we're going to have a fabulous season waiting for us. Do you have any little space left? I think Festive is fully booked, as you said, huh? Not one room or anything. Yeah, just checking because we have requests every day still. Huh? So we'll look at the January, February, March and onward. Huh? So,
Exactly.
so I
Thank you very much, Arnaud.
Arnaud, yes, thank you. I know you're going to be very busy, so we're happy. My dream is one day maybe we do a little cooking class together on Facebook or on Instagram or.
When you come, if you want, yeah.
Oh, but that's
With pleasure.
I might come quick then. Huh? Oh, thank you so much, Arnaud. And I can't say good luck because we already know it's a success. But I'm really happy to have you, and I'm happy for the Christopher to have you as well. Huh?
Thank you. Thank
and
you.
The guests do not know yet what they're gonna have you. Huh? Everyone who booked like 6 months, 8 months in advance, they have no idea what's waiting for them at the Christopher. Huh?
So it will be an extra news.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Huh? Thank you, Arnaud.
Thank you, Chef.
Have a good day. Olivier, don't know if there is any other. I know. So we said when is a 5-bedroom villa gonna be ready? Next year?
Oh, we have the time. No, not
next year. I think it might be ready in 2 or 3 years.
2 or 3 years. Okay, but it's
during the season we cannot work next to the hotel because we want to preserve our guests. So it's going to take quite long to build it, but I think in 3 years it will be ready.
Yeah, because actually I'm standing myself inside. I look like one of the 3-4 bedroom villa, and they are booked all the time. Huh? I mean, it's an amazing product facing the ocean. They kind of connect in a way because they all share a little parking area, their own entrance on the neighborhood. So when somebody's looking, I said it, when somebody is also looking for a 10-bedroom villa, which doesn't really exist, but then for you, they can book the 3-4 bedroom, and they have even a 12-bedroom villa. So I think it's great. Huh?
Yes,
exactly.
Starting January, there is still availabilities on the villa. So
perfect.
Need to contact us, of course.
Huh? And any new activities or anything you offer at the hotel, or still I don't know if there is anything else you are.
We are a healthy destination as well, and now every week there will be of course yoga lesson offered to our guests once per week, and a gym lesson as well. So two nice lessons during the week on the pool deck early morning. So yes, we'll enjoy that.
All right. So Katia, you're staying until the January or no?
Unfortunately not. I will be at the ILTM with you, Dominique. No, I'm leaving on Monday because just to see the opening. I will be back in November. But then during the ILTM, we'll talk about the hotel, and we'll
exactly. If anyone listening to us is going to ILTM, then you can meet Katia, because Olivier, I think your hotel is too full to leave this year. Huh?
Exactly. Yes. Hopefully, I'm going to ask Arnaud if he wants to come maybe one day at the ILTM, or at your evening, or during the day, the Monday. Perfect. So we'll see what we can do.
Perfect. Huh? I see. But Nina, you said you have clients coming up next month, so they're going to be really happy to know that there is a 2-star Michelin chef. Vicky, yes, good luck. I'm sure everything will be perfect. I'll see one more. Nina, do you need a car, or can the hotel arrange a rental as needed? Huh?
Yes,
of course.
You don't really need a car in Saint-Barth. You just, I would think, take the car when you need to. Huh?
If you want to discover the most beautiful beach because they are wild, you have to book a rental car.
Yeah, because then when you want to go there in the morning, and then usually when we do that, we go to this virgin beach, and then we come back for lunch, or then you set up a picnic on the beach or with a chef. Huh? So that's really nice. Huh? Voilà. Nina, you're asking if you suggest making dining reservation now that we have a 2 Michelin star chef. Do we have to make the reservation in advance?
We can when you book, when you send us a mail to confirm the reservation of the guest, our guest team send an email with the possibility to book the table. So yes.
And because the restaurant is still open to people from the outside, huh? So
Exactly.
might be a little busy. That's a good question. Concetta, yes, we're going to be sending all the information. I'll send the recording. I'll send the full presentation. Olivier, I think you said you had a presentation now with the chef included. So maybe if you want to send it to me, then I'll do that in follow-up. Huh? All right. Any other question, everyone, of this little paradise and this piece of paradise, Saint-Barth and the hotel itself? I'm jealous, but at least I feel I'm with you. Look, I'm wearing the national color of the Christopher. Huh? And I'll see you soon. Maybe tomorrow we do a little Insta Live and something together on different social media. Huh? So everyone, goodbye for today. I'll see you later on. We have another webinar at 2 p.m. And thank you so much for joining us. Huh?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Jenny.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.